Okay. So Mani, you just download all the images, right?
I yeah, yes, bro. Actually, I
So in
searching.
which
Yes.
drive the images are there? In E drive.
V1, those two only E drive, bro.
Okay.
And the first one, some storage issue, I download here.
Okay, that's fine.
C
No,
drive.
no issues. Yeah, no issues. Okay, so go to Oracle Box once you downloaded all these images, including folders. Okay, and just go back to that particular folder, batch 48 AD folder. Okay, so make sure, guys. Okay, so here, okay, you have to check whether all files are downloaded or not. So go inside that folder and go to any folder. So you can see these are the files, 5 items. You can see logs folder and 01P blue box, which is second file, and then PREV, which is third file, and one Internet Explorer file, and the last orange box is the big one. Okay, so make
Yes.
sure all these files are there in the same folder. Okay, so once you
Okay.
confirm that all the files are there in the same folder, what you can do is go to Oracle box, go to Oracle box once. So just click on close, stop all the VMs. Power off.
I will.
Yeah, yeah,
Power.
you can power off. Yeah, and that one also you can power off. Yeah, and that one also power off. Done. Okay. That one also power off. Done. Very good. Okay, so go to machine. On top, you can see machine, right? Click on that. Add. Second option. Yeah. So go to C drive. First, we'll add AD. Okay, and go to batch 48 images. I guess P48, the first folder. Right. Okay, and double click on that. The blue box. You have to double click on the blue color box, guys. Okay, that's okay. You will get the error like this. Click on details. Okay, fine. So no issues. Okay, keep it as it is. Just click OK. So now what you can do, go to that folder physically, V48 AD machine. Okay, and go inside that folder once. Yeah, so if you see here, B48 PPLAD hyphen 001, we need B48 PPLAD. So extra hyphen 001 is added when you downloaded the files. These kind of extra okay values will be added to the file. So what you can do, you can just rename this to B48 PPLAD. Just rename this to B48 PPLAD. Delete all the hyphen 001.
Okay.
The third option. On the top, you can see third option. Now cancel this one. Right click, top, third option. You can see, no, not that one, not that one. Delete,
Okay. Okay.
cancel it. Yeah, right click. On the first line, can you see third option? Cut, paste, copy. First
Yeah,
line.
correct.
Yeah, third option. Third option. Yeah, click on that one. Okay, just delete that hyphen 001. Just click outside. Yeah, continue. Okay, done. Now you just go to Rack Box Manager. Okay, so and double click on that machine. B48, that just the one that we just added. Double click on that. So it will start now. So while starting also, you might face some issues like network settings and all. That's okay. So we can arrange the network settings. Click OK. Yeah, that's fine. Click OK. And click on the details once. What it is saying, B48 PPL path cannot attach drive to the primary master. Okay. Fail to open. Fail to open the session. Okay. Click OK. Just remove this completely. Right click, remove. Don't delete the files, just remove and choose the first option. Remove only, just remove only. Yeah, second option you have to choose. And again, go to machine, add, go to C drive. Go to C drive and the first folder. Double click on the second file. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now you can try starting this. Double click on that. Or else you can do normal start also. Okay. Now you'll get the screen like this, guys. Nothing you have to do. Simply click on change network settings. Okay. And then click OK. Just click OK. Click OK. Yeah, done. So the VM, 1 minute. Yeah, okay, okay. So we suggest that you take appropriate action. Okay, that's fine. Click OK and click OK. So do one thing. Okay. So what is your laptop RAM?
64.
64 GB.
Yes, yes.
Show
4
me
GB
once.
RAM.
Show me once. Windows R MS Info 32 or right click simply Task Manager. Yeah, MS Info 32. Okay, go down. 16 GB RAM is there, right?
Yes, yes.
16 GB means it shouldn't create any problems on that level. Okay, just close this one and open Task Manager once. Open Task Manager, check the usage of the memory. Yeah, type Task MGR. The run type Task MGR. Okay, memory is also normal. Click on the second tab from the left side. You can see second one. No, from the left side there is a line kind of option for the right complete left side. Complete left side.
Yeah,
That
okay.
second option. Yeah, click on that one. Performance. Click on that one. So 6.2 GB is in use. Okay, that's fine. Okay, do one thing. Just minimize this. Let's add another VM. Let's see whether it is creating any problem. So let's see. And go to the Oracle VirtualBox Manager once. Go to okay. Just 1 minute. Click OK. Click OK. Okay. So here right click, right click on the machine, right click on the machine settings. Go to settings. Okay. Go to system, second option, go to system. So here increase the memory to okay 2 GB instead of 1024, just add 2048. Two thousand
48.
forty-eight, yeah, 2048. Yeah, click OK. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Go to network settings as well. Go to network settings. Network settings. Okay, just click on advanced. Okay, so click on name under bridge adapter. You can see name right in the network settings under bridge adapter. Yeah, under
Yeah.
yeah, click on that name. No, not bridge adapter. Click on the name below to that. Yeah, wireless. Okay, that's fine. Let it be. And click OK. Okay. Now you can try starting this VM. Double click on the VM. Okay. Okay, just click on the details once. Failed to open the 48.2D while writing due to wrong permissions. Okay. Okay, done. Click OK. Okay, so go to that folder once. D48. Okay. Right click on that. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
C drive lock.
Yeah, C drive. Yeah. Right click, properties. Go to security. Security tab, third tab. Yeah. Click on edit. Add everyone. Click on add. Click on add. Add everyone. Type everyone. Everyone. EVERYONE without giving any spaces. Check names. Okay. Click OK. And give full control. Click on full control. In the below, you can see red full control. In the below, first
Oh, yeah.
option. Yeah.
Hello.
Apply and OK. Continue. Wait a minute. What happened? Again, try to give the same permissions. It is throwing some error. Try to give permission, something like that. Again, properties. And everyone is having full control, right? Okay. Click OK and try starting with VM now again. And go to the last option. Yeah, click OK. Go to the last one which is showing Oracle VirtualBox Manager. No, not this one. Not this one. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Click OK. Yeah, go to Oracle VirtualBox Manager links. Double click on the machine now. Click OK. No. Check the error once. Again, double click on it. Whatever it is showing now. Have you opened this Oracle VirtualBox with Run as administrator? Close this once. Close the window. Open this with Run as administrator. Click OK. Completely close this window. Completely close Oracle VirtualBox Manager. And right click on Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Choose Run as administrator.
We need to give yes, right?
Sorry.
Ah.
Is it asking for username and password?
No. I will enter means it asking yes or no option. Run as
Yeah, you
administrator.
have to use yes.
Okay.
You have to choose yes. Okay, so now double click on this, click OK. See, you are not opening Oracle VirtualBox with Run as administrator. So that's why I'll tell everyone open Oracle VirtualBox with Run as administrator, Run as administrator. You
Correct.
see the difference now?
Correct. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so when you are opening directly, it is not taking the administrator permission, so it is not able to read the files. And you open with Run as administrator, it has full powers on the files and folders.
No, bro. Actually, I attended one interview, bro, today.
Okay.
Actually, they asked 2012 to 2019. We need to update the SQL server. 12 to 19.
12 to 19, can we update or we cannot update?
We can update, right, bro?
We can update. Yeah. We can
That
update.
one,
So we can,
yeah,
what you said.
yeah, I said we can update it.
Okay, yeah, we can update. We can use either in place or side by side migration also. Okay. So that's fine, right? So now what we can do, minimize this and add other PVMs as well. Okay, so go to that or I can Box Manager. Okay. So again, click
Actually,
on,
I
you have
added
already,
this one.
okay,
I
you
added
already
the
attached,
backup
yeah?
one.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Double click
yeah,
on that.
I will start one.
Yeah. Okay. So everything is started right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it. This is how you have to add the VMs in the right virtual box manager. Okay. So these images will have the pre-configured log shipping, mirroring, replication, Windows clustering, SQL clustering, and all of them. We have to
Okay.
add images like this. And while adding, make sure that files are with the .media format. Okay, and in case if any extensions are added, make sure that you are going to delete the extensions and all. I mean to say, if any extra characters or numbers are added, just delete it and make sure it is the exact file name. Okay, and then once you added that file, okay, then you can directly double click on it while opening the file, while opening the server, while starting the server, you'll get one error message like change network settings. Click on change
Yeah.
network settings and click just OK. Don't do anything, just click on change network settings and click OK. Automatically, issue will be fixed. Okay. So let's check what is the error. Okay. Machine execution not due as repeated disk full. Okay, host system reported disk full. When execution suspended, you can make it. Click OK. Which drive you are using? Completely, is it full or what? Within the drive that these files are stored. There is no free space at all. See? So
I
what
will
are
delete that instant.
yeah, you can delete that one. You are not using that AD right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can delete it completely. You can delete it. Okay, done. Fine. Now you can create some free space. In case it, okay, that will be fine. Okay, you are not using the images right. You can delete it. Yeah, you can start the image, or else I guess it will be in saved state. Right click on the image. Yeah, machine. Right click. Go to pause. Click on pause. Yeah, that's it. It will resume. Okay. Yeah, done. So now all VMs are started. They're up and running. Okay. So this is how we
Okay.
have to attach the VMs in the record box. Okay, fine. Money.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, yeah. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you, Manu. Huh? I'll share the password with you. Okay.
Thank you
Yeah. Bye.
so much.